Hello all and welcome to our crochet. My name is Mary and I'm coming to you today with vlog number 14. Yay! Yours truly is very excited today because we have announced our giveaway. Woo. We actually announced the winner to our giveaway. We already know the giveaway. We have announced the winner to the giveaway. Yay! If you watched my previous video, just the very previous one before this one, you would know the winner to our giveaway, and I will tell you in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Renee Harvey. Well done, Renee. Renee, you have won that whole entire giveaway that is set up on vlog number 13. However, that little video just before this one will show you a nice layout of each item, so you get a nice close-up of the items. What else can I tell you? And Renee, I'll get in touch with you. You get in touch with me. Whoever does it first, you'll get your prize. Woohoo! Don't despair, guys. If you did not win anything today, I will be doing constant giveaways, and I'll occasionally be doing some spot giveaways. Ooh, spot giveaways have nothing to do with the YouTube random checker this time. Ooh, those ones will be giveaways for certain talents and certain things that people do. So they are coming, guys. Don't despair, okay? But also, I'm just so excited. Well done, Renee. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed. Thank you if you left a lovely comment. And I have to tell you, some of those comments melted my heart, I have to say. Thank you to anyone who has also advertised my channel on their channel, YouTube channel, on their Facebook pages, on their Facebook groups, and all those sort of things, on the Instagram, everywhere they advertise. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. However, we're going to move on. We're going to move on. Yours truly was extremely busy this week and I did not get done what I was supposed to do. Naughty, naughty. However, I did manage to finish, the handle to our bag. How gorgeous is this bag? I should leave it nice and still for you. But look at the handle. I don't know if it's getting a bit blurry or not, but have a look at this handle. How gorgeous is it, guys? The bag can go like that. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, trying to get it high. Or you can wear it also like that. So if you want to go shopping and you want to have your crochet items in there and crochet while you're walking, perfect handle for that. I didn't get to line the handle. I didn't get to line the bag because I bought the wrong color lining. So I will go and get... I know Classy Kim had mentioned that there was nothing wrong with the lining that I bought. Thank you, Classy Kim. But you know yourself, Kim, when you're doing something, if you're not happy with it, you won't finish it. You will stop, you'll go and you'll get the item you want and you will finish it the way you want. And that's just, you know, our craft. We get really fussy with it and we want it perfect, right? We want it perfect. So I'm going out probably this weekend, next weekend, maybe a couple more weekends, and I'll explain why. We may have to wait a few weekends in a minute. I wanted to get the colour of the border for the bag, for the lining itself, because I just thought it would look better. When I put the light blue in, which didn't really match, you could see through the gaps. It was kind of a light blue. It wasn't my thing. Anyway, so I will be doing that. So this bag, we won't be touching this week at all. You're probably looking about 2 or 3 weeks before I even get the lining and we finish it off. I'm sorry, guys. It was supposed to be finished this week. But we did do the handle, and that handle, well, that took us forever. Well, it took me forever. I don't know how long it's going to take you. But it did take me a long time. So there you go. That is our bag. Yours truly was, and I didn't, but I was supposed to finish our granny mandala. Naughty, naughty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the granny mandala this week. It'll be the very first tutorial. Even if it's only the only one that comes out this week, it will be the mandala. So I'll definitely do the mandala this week. So the border to the mandala. And I apologize to you guys because I was supposed to get it done this week and I didn't. I said I was supposed to do it last week and I didn't do it then either. I just ran out of time. So I will get it done this week. It'll be the very first tutorial after this vlog. Will be this one here. All right. We did, however, manage to finish our bordered the border on this double crochet V-stitch blanket. This one we finished last week, the week before, and I was supposed to wash and block that, and I didn't do that either. I'm very naughty this week. Had a little tiny bit of a slack week this week, guys, and we'll make it up to you. You will get the border to the Granny Mandala definitely this week. I hope to get the washing and blocking to you with this one. The washing blocking, it shouldn't be a very long vlog. It should be a vlog. Shouldn't be a very long tutorial. It should be nice and quick. I have done tutorials on washing and blocking before, and when I do the tutorial for this one, washing and blocking, I'll leave the other details to the other blocking in the description box down below of that tutorial. So those two items are definitely coming this week. Okay, now the reason yours truly cannot promise you anything for a few weeks is because I'm taking a slight break and I'm going away for a little bit with Mini Me, Mini Me, my daughter, that is, for those of you who know that is. She has booked a little holiday for us both. It will be 10 days worth. If I get an opportunity to do some recording at our destination, well, I'm not telling you where the destination is, you'll just have to find out. I will upload those recordings and hopefully there will be some craft stores there. Hopefully there will be crochet stands. I don't know if they will be. I believe there will be a craft store there, and hopefully there'll be some place where I can buy some lovely yarn and some hooks and maybe some patterns and whatever else have you. So there you go. If I don't, I will still find a way to upload something, guys. Okay, so don't despair. Now, it may not, I may be away before that next vlog. I'm not sure. If I am, I'll do a very short vlog next week and pop that up, and hopefully I will be able to put some tutorials up. But this week you'll definitely get the washing and blocking and the border to this. Okay, guys? Again, thank you to all of you who subscribed, and thank you to all of you who left wonderful comments on that giveaway. I wanted to show you something before I go. It was something, it was about a year or so ago. They had a Guinness Book of Records competition of the most crocheters in the one place at the one time. And I went off to Bendigo for this, and I had also had one of my friends there, Adriana, and the both of us were there, and you had to all stand there and crochet at the same time. And even if you didn't know how to crochet, you just grabbed a hook and made a few stitches or a few chains. And it was a wonderful event. We didn't quite make it. But yours truly made a little bag so that I could stand and crochet. I wanted to show you this bag because it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the heart. Oh, isn't that cute? Well, I hope I'm not too close. And then I thought I couldn't put the hearts on both sides. I put a heart on one side and your square on the other. It's made with single crochet. And when I reference to this bag and its handle, yours truly does like to go to craft events. I pop the bag on my arm, I pop the yarn in there, and I stand there and crochet while I'm at craft events. I know, a little bit crazy, a little bit wacky, but hey, what's normal anyway, right? So that's what I like to do. And this bag is gorgeous, and I'm wondering perhaps maybe one day we may be able to make something like that. Ooh. Not so much for the next few months because I'm busy. The only reason I bought this out is because I was thinking about the handle on this bag. Okay, so when I say to you guys, I like to carry the bag like that, and I've said it in the past where I like to put my arm in there, like so, and crochet while I'm holding the bag. So if I need to play with the yarn, I pull it out. If I need to, you know, fiddle with the bag, it's easy when it's on your arm. Now this one, my own little design, okay? So I may write the pattern out for it and pop it on my Instagram or my Facebook page or whatever. I haven't really decided yet. I do actually have a Ravelry account. I could pop it on there too. But anyway, let's not talk about that right now. I just wanted to show you the bag to show you that there are other ways you can make bags. It doesn't have to be the way our stash busting bag was. In actual fact, can you believe it? They're the same color cottons. How about that? That's why I said when I started making this bag, I had leftover thread So leftover stash, what was in my stash, probably because it was left over from this thing here. However, there's an orange in there and a different color in there as well. But the red blues and the navy blues and the light blues, they were all in here. I've just decided we're gonna make this bag. We are gonna make this bag in a couple of months' time. Yay! Crazy crochet lady. Okay, hey, why not? So guys, we're gonna make that bag. We are going to make that bag. We're going to make it. We're going to make it. Not quite now. And we're also going to make the pillow that I promised you. And we're also going to make it another blanket. And we're going to do a lot of other stuff. So we're going to be very busy, guys. Stick around, you know, have a lot of fun with your crochet. Take your time. And like I said, I missed 2 items out last week that I was supposed to do. And, you know, life gets in the way and it happens. And that's okay. So we'll do it this week, right? We're not going anywhere. Well, I'm not anyway. Well, actually, I am at the end of the week. So guys, what can I say? I can say thank you so much for entering our giveaway. Thank you so much for leaving such beautiful, heartfelt comments. Thank you so much for leaving any comment. And I was quite impressed with the turnout that I had. And I'm not sure if I kept up with everybody. If I didn't leave a message on your comment, I hope I did. If I didn't, I'm sorry. I'll go through them all again later and check. Thank you so much for those of you who have shared my tutorials, either on Facebook or wherever else you share them. And thank you to those on YouTube who have shared my channel as well. And I thank you so much for that as well. I believe both Classy Kim and Jane from Scraptastic Yarns has shared my name all over their YouTube channel. I thank them for that. And again, congratulations to Renee Harvey, the winner of our giveaway. I wish you well. I hope that if you're not too far away from Australia, it doesn't take too long for your items to get to you. I don't know where you are because I haven't spoken to you yet. But if you are on the other side of the world, it doesn't matter where you are, Renee, you will get your prize. If it's local, you'll get it quicker. If it's overseas, it might take a little longer for it to arrive, but you will get your prize. So congratulations again, Renee. Thank you everyone who have entered the giveaway. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your beautiful comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you again in our very next tutorial, which will be our granny mandala border that I made a promise to. And it'll also be our washing and blocking of our double crochet V-stitch blanket. So thanks again, guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click the little bell button so you can receive further tutorials in your inbox. Don't forget to share, to like, do all that jazz, and I shall see you in our next tutorial. Thanks. Ciao. Ciao for now. Ciao, ciao, ciao.